Yeah. I think
NKLA and GM News. They were asking, like, what happened is, if they have NKLA, what should they do with the stock?
Do they have NIKOLA? This company is the biggest fucking finesser of all time. It was, this whole deal with GM is so incredible. So GM isn't paying them anything. They're not paying them $1. NIKOLA is giving them 11% of their company, which is valued at $2 billion. But this company did $36,000 of revenue last quarter. So what the fuck does it matter? You're giving up 11% of your market cap. Now you get GM's know-how. They're getting all their parts and manufacturing. And now GM is actually going to make their electric vehicle, the Badger, and they're going to put GM's own fuel cell and hydrogen cell batteries in and shit like that. So it's like, they just got this. I mean, if they're long, just have a stop at low of day here. And honestly, like, this is such a massive catalyst to the upside. I might, if this flagged out below this 54.50, below these highs, I would probably look to buy that 54.50. The valuations are so dumb and stupid, but I mean, the price action is all we really care about, and this is a massive positive catalyst for the stock. Now they have, now they have just such a know-how in the market with GM backing, so very positive.
They ain't get enough, we having fun with it. Yeah, got me feeling like a couple stacks. Don't you hit me up, I'ma call you back. Hey, I'm taking my time, play it real smooth. Hey, we